Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Valentine's Day is quickly approaching and I thought it would be fun to do a little Valentine's Day makeup tutorial in case you haven't quite figured out how you want to do your makeup yet. So I'll be creating this look that you're seeing here on the camera. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, then just keep watching.
Alright, so I like to start off every eyeshadow look with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the original shade. I just apply that to the lid and blend it in all the way up towards my brow. This just ensures that my eyeshadow does not crease throughout the day. Once I do that, I'm taking the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette and using the shade Bare on a Morphe M330 blending brush, I am blending that shade in the crease all the way up towards the brow. Just going back and forth in windshield wiper motions. And once I've done that on both eyes, then I'm going to switch to a Morphe M139 brush. It's just a little bit smaller of a brush. And taking the shade Sunder, I'm applying that just to the crease, starting in the outer corner and blending inward. Once that's done, I am taking the shade Passion and applying it using a Luxie 231 small tapered blending brush. Once again, starting in the outer corner and then blending inward. I start by barely putting any product on my brush just to make sure I don't overdo it. You can always add a little bit more and build things up, but if you initially start with a lot of product, then it's difficult to correct. Now taking an e.l.f. eye crease brush, I'm taking the shade Cat Eye, it's a dark brown color, and applying this to just the outer corner of the eye. And you can really already see the definition that it adds. It's just a matte brown color. From there, using the Pixi Beauty Eye Reflection Shadow Palette, the Reflex Light one, I'm going to grab the shade Pink Luster. It is just the most beautiful metallic pink color. You can see how pigmented it is. And applying this to the center of the eyelid, and blending it with my finger all the way forward towards the inner corner of my eye. This color is just so insanely pigmented, so beautiful, and really makes your eyes pop in contrast against that dark, smoky eye that we have going on. Then, just to ensure everything's blended out, I'm taking that Luxie brush with whatever of that Passion shade is left on it, blending out the crease, and then adding a little bit more of that brown cat eye shade just to darken things up. Now to add a little bit of extra sparkle, I am taking a Pixi Beauty Liquid Fairy Lights. This is in the shade Rose Gold. I just apply it to the back of my hand, tap my finger into it, and then tap that finger onto my eyelid. I find that this is the best way to apply it. And I love how it gives you that glittery, shimmery look without being too glittery. It's so easy to apply. You don't have to deal with a loose glitter and glue. And from there, I am just taking a little bit of mascara. This is the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara, which is one of my absolute favorites. I am going to be applying false lashes. You definitely don't have to do this, but that's my personal preference. While the mascara is drying, I like to apply my bronzer. And so this is the Too Faced Sun Bunny Bronzer. I've clearly hit pan on it because I love it so much, but I'm applying it using a NYX Pro Fan brush to the hollows of my cheeks, as well as a little bit up on my forehead. To add a little color to my cheeks, I am taking the Morphe Pop of Peach Blush Trio, using the shade Maker and applying that to the apples of my cheeks using a Real Techniques blush brush. And for lashes, I'm going in with the Stina Face Progress lashes, applying duo eyelash adhesive to those, and then I like to sit it aside while the glue kind of gets a little tacky. And while I'm waiting, I apply my Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Taupe to my brows to fill them in a little bit. And I basically line the outer edges, and then I go in and fill in the middle on the tail end. And then you'll see me go back towards the front of my brow and draw a line on the very bottom, and then just kind of do some little flicks upward to lightly fill in that area. now that the glue has had time to get tacky on the lash, I am taking a pair of tweezers and applying the lashes to my upper lash line. And I think that's what's critical in making sure you correctly put on your eyelashes, is making sure that the glue is tacky when you do so. For the bottom lash line, I'm going in with a Morphe M222 brush in the shade Sunder, applying that to the lower lash line just to bring a little extra warmth. And then for eyeliner, I am using the Urban Decay 24/7 Perversion eyeliner. This is such an intense black eyeliner. You don't need that much. It glides so easily. It's by far one of my favorite eyeliners. And now I'm taking the Urban Decay Perversion mascara, applying that to the bottom lashes. We are almost done here, but of course we need a highlight. I am going in with the Pixi Glowy Gossamer Duo in the shade Delicate Dew. Going in with the shade that's a little bit more champagne-y, applying that to the tops of my cheekbones as well as my nose, and it just brings such a beautiful glow to the look. And to finish things off, I am going in with the Sephora Collection Liquid Lipstick or Lip Cream Stain in shade number 40 Pink Tea. This is by far my favorite liquid lipstick. I just absolutely love the color. Applying that to the bottom lip, and then when I apply it to the upper lip, I kind of overdraw it to make my lips look a little bit bigger than they actually are. And that's it, the completed look. I think that this is such a beautiful look for Valentine's Day, and I hope this helped you out.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this. I was a little bit rusty because I have not filmed a full-on makeup tutorial in a long time, but it reminded me how much I enjoy filming those, so I definitely am going to get back into it. If you want to see more makeup tutorials, give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and as always, thank you guys so much. I am so grateful for your continued support. If you want to see more fashion and lifestyle type of content, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, which is at MyStyledLife. I will leave the link to my Instagram as well as all my other social accounts in the description box below. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.